Germany. Yes, we're entering Germany. Ayan. Today is Sunday and look, it's a beautiful weather. So we're going to Cologne. Yeah, and look here in Cologne is they always play this. Meron naglalaro dyan. Oh. Ayun yung para silang sa circus. How you call that? I don't know. Sometimes they're playing balls. Ngayon yun nilalaro nila. Then after that, manghingi sila ng pera. So at least, nagbigay sila ng kasiyahan, di ba? Sayang, hindi sa harap namin nakunan ko sana ng mabuti to. Ang galing. And now we're going to the church, St. Geryon Church here in Cologne. And you see there is the dome. Cologne Dome actually is nearby. Ayun siya oh, ang dome. And this is the St. Geryon Church. Yeah, they always have a mass every fourth Sunday of the month, Filipino Mass, with Father Rodel and the Filipino community in Bonn. Yeah, this really a nice old church also here in Bonn. Look at the ceiling. Look at the painting. Ayan oh. And yung ukit. You see, it's really beautiful. This church is really old. You see that. And today, actually, there's special mass. Yeah, may kababayan na pumanaw. So that's why may a lot of people at the moment here in St. Geryon Church in Cologne. And today is the fourth Sunday of the month. Yes, and after the salo-salo, ayan, after nito pala, may salo-salo. Salamat, Ate Bioli.